Hi guys, here 5 plus 2 plus 3 is 5 square times 4 to the power of 2. Here 5 plus 5 square is 25 times 4 to the power of 2. Here 5 plus 25 is 30 times 4 square. Here 30 times 4 square is 16. Here 30 times 16 is 480 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 480 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 5 plus, here bracket is 2 plus 3 is 5 to the power of 2 times here 4 to the power of 2. The next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 5 square and 4 square. We have to do this both. 5 plus 5 square is 25 times here 4 square is 16. Here the next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication, so we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 5 plus here 25 times 16 is 400. Here 400 plus 5 is 405 is the correct answer.